Friends, knowledge is virtue by which you can make your future bright. With your continued exercise 5.4, question number first, which term of AP is its first negative term? Then first write your series AP. First term 121, 177 is second term, and 113 this is the third term, and so on. Series is continuing. Here write A. First term is 121. Common difference D. Second term minus first term. Then you will get minus 4. Okay, only two things are given here. Write the formula. AN is equal to what is AN? AN is equal to A plus and minus 1 into common difference D. Then find A 121 plus value of n is not given. Common difference D is minus 4. 121 plus, open this bracket with minus. First you can multiply by minus 4. Minus 4n plus 4. 121 plus into minus means minus 4n plus 4. 121 plus 4, 125 minus 4. Okay, now read your question again. Which term in an AP is its first negative term? Means here AN is a negative. When AN is a negative, it means any number is negative. It means that number will be less than 0. It means this number is less than 0 because AN is negative number, or negative number always are less than 0. Okay. Then here AN is less than 0. It means 125 minus 4n will be less than 0. Then that here 125 minus 4n will be less than 0. Okay, so here this less sign is working just like a equal sign, but the values are not equal. Okay, so never mind. 125 less than 4n. Okay, because when 4n will transport another side, it will become positive number. Now 125 upon 4 less than, and when you will divide it, you will get 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 less than n. It means value of n is approximately 32. Okay, that is approx 32. So the term will be negative. Will be negative means will be first negative term. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. Question number second is the sum of the third and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Then find the sum of the 16 term and AP. Before finding the sum of 16 term, here first term is missing and common difference is missing. So before solving this condition, first you have to find your first term and common difference. Then from here, the sum of their third and seventh term of an AB is 6. Okay. First, with the help of this condition, first find your equation. First equation. Right solution. Third term means A3. A3 is equal to A plus and is 3 minus 1 into common difference D. Then A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Equation number first. Now, 7 term and AP. And 7th term is A7. A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Okay. We were solving with the help of the formula AN is equal to A plus and minus 1D. Don't be confused. If you have any problem, you can contact me. Okay. With the help of this formula, we are solving, we are making these equations. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. This is second equation. Okay. Now, condition was the sum of third term and seventh term is 6. So, third term and seventh term, these two terms are there. So, according to your question, what is Shama? Means A3 plus A7. A3 and A7 is 6. So what A3 is A plus 2D plus A7 means A plus 6D. That is 6. A plus A 2A. 2D plus 6D plus 8D is equal to 6. You can divide whole equation by 2 because 2 is a common. You can write it A plus 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8 D minus 2 3 ja 6. So you can write this equation in the lowest form, that is A plus 4D. So you can write it another form. A is equal to 3 minus 4D. You can write A minus 3 minus 4D. This is equation number 3. Note down all the equations, okay, and be careful. During solution, bigger solution is bigger in this question. Now, second question is, their product is A. Whose product? Means third and seventh term. Means third term and seventh term. The product of third term and seventh term is 8. Okay. So A3 into A7 is 8. A3 is A plus 2D. A plus 2D into A7. A7 is A plus 6D. A plus 6D. And that is equal to 8. Now, value of A is 3 minus 4D. With the help of the equation third. So you can put value of A, that is, value of A is 3 minus 4D. 3 minus 4D plus 2D, close the bracket, and another bracket A. Then value of A is 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. 3 minus 4D plus 2D means and the bracket 3 minus 4d plus 2d means plus 2d is equal to 4d minus 4d plus 6d is plus 2d. Now open these brackets. 3 3s are 9 plus 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 3 2s are 6d. Okay, now here minus plus plus 3 2 3s are 6d minus plus minus 2 2s are 4 d into d square is equal to 8. Okay, now here this will be minus, okay, minus 6d. Okay, d plus 6 minus d. Here plus 6d minus 6d cancel, then you will get 9 minus 4d square is equal to 8. Now 9 transform minus 8 in LHS is equal to transform minus 4d into RHS 4d square. Okay, 9 minus 8 means 1 is equal to 4d square. Then 1 by 4 is equal to d square. Now means d is equal to root 1 by 4, then you will get d is equal to plus minus 1 upon 2. Plus minus 1 upon 2. Now value of d, put your value of d in equation first and second. In any equation you can put. Okay, otherwise you can put in equation number third. Okay, by equation third. By equation third, when d is equal to, when you will take d is equal to plus 1 by 2, then a is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, then you will get 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Means a is equal to 1. When you will take value of d is minus 1 by 2, then by equation third, okay, a is equal to 3 minus 4 into d is minus 1 by 2. Okay, again 2 2s are 4, 3 plus 2, then you will get 5. So here you have two values of d, means two common differences and two first term. So with the help of these values you will find the sum. Okay, question is lengthy, so don't worry, keep patience and try to understand. Question lengthy, but question is very easy. Okay, now we are going to find sum. As n is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference d. Better here you will use the value of n is 16 term, means n is equal to, you will use n is equal to 16. Okay, and right here when n is equal to 16 and a is equal to a first take the value of this one. When a is equal to a 1 and common difference d is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So when number of terms are 16, first term is a and common difference plus 1 by 2, then S16 is equal to 16 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 1 plus and minus n means 16 minus 1 into common difference d is 1 by 2. What's the bracket? 2 8 are 16, 8, 2 1 are 2 plus 16 minus 1, 15 upon 2, 8 into take 2 as an LCM, then 4 plus 15 that is 19, 2 4s are 8, okay, then 2 4s are 8, 19 4s are 76, okay. When n is equal to 16, a is equal to 5 and common difference d is equal to d will be taken as minus 1 by 2. Then find Sn. Now we can rough it. Then you will find S16 is equal to n by 2 is 16 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a is 5 plus n means 16 minus 1 into common difference d is minus 1 by 2. D is minus 1 by 2. Okay, close the bracket. 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10 plus 17 again you can see means 15 into minus 1 by 2, 8, 10 plus into minus means minus 15 upon 2, 8, take 2 as a LCM, 10 2s are 20, 20 minus 15 is 5 upon 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Okay. So here you have some of these terms. So sum of 16 term is equal to 76 and 20. That is your answer. Okay. So with this video I am going to wind up your exercise and chapter also. So in next video I will return with your new chapter. Okay. So thank you and study very well.